me and Christian, we're in Ross, and I'm following Christian around right now. Oh. Let's see, Christian, where are you going? Oh God, where are you going? Whoa. Oh, Christian's shoes over there.
I'm looking for shoes.
Over there.
Oh, I'm on the sheet.
See, I'm zooming in.
Wait. I want a sheet. I want a blue one.
Hold on, Christian, come on. Come here this way. There's that sheet over here. Hello. 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 Hello.
Yeah.
A lot of lights. Christian, dude, I think your stuff is like over there. So. It's over there.
How much farther?
I thought some kid was following us, but
How much farther?
not farther than. See, there's your stuff over there. See? See it? See it?
I don't know where to go.
See, Christian, here's all.
I think I need a mid small.
Dude, you gotta really look. Dude, where's your size?
Right here.
Yeah. Full body pose. Body pose. Huh.
Small, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Ew. Ewy. What's that? Ew. What's that? Oh, Quicksilver. I love Mexico football. Version. Mexico!
I want this.
I want that. I want this. And that. And everything out of my butthole, especially those bitches down at the club. Yay! Christian, get this. Get it off.
Hey.
Pick it up. Dude, like, where's all the cool shirts?
Well, maybe we
Maybe
should
they're over
maybe we
there.
should get out of active
Christian,
talk.
there's young men.
Well, maybe we should get out of active talk.
Okay, well, there's t-shirts right there. Over there. Oh, okay. Quicksilver.
Extra large, too.
Okay, then go down some. Jesus. Quicksilver. Volcom. DC.
No.
Christian, I like the DC shirt. Oh, look at this one.
I want a white one.
White. O'Neal.
One.
Reebok. What's it? Mexico. I don't know what that is. Oh, Brazil. This shirt. Ugh. That's pretty cool. I
want a white one.
Yay.
Well, we still found one.
Yeah. Christian, some of these shirts are cool, like Element.
Okay. Alright, we'll
Get the.
which one?
There's a DC shirt too somewhere. It was like. Where was it? Shit, no.
It's right there.
No. Okay, there's that one. And then there's that one. Those are large. Don't you like your shirts large?
Yeah, but I don't want them like down here.
They won't. Here, look.
Well, yeah, that's big as shit.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Never mind then. Alright, here. Oh. I don't know. Man. Dude, like, they don't want crap in the men's department. Ooh! I like wearing these to sleep. It's pretty freaking awesome. Transformers. Hold on. Hold on. Ah, Christian.
Oh, wow.
AC/DC.
I want these.
I got a large. Those are extra large. Oh, they got a medium.
Yeah.
Medium. You do the do. Do the do.
Yeah, this is way big on me.
Do the do.
Medium.
More. That's pretty much all I got.
Well,
With you.
focus on my name.
With you, I want to get some.
We don't have anything.
Well, that's why I'm looking.
Don't you want to go to Target?
Yeah, I want to go to Target, but I just want to get just this crap there. Here, come on this way. I'm here to get clothes, and I like these.
Alright, well then get them. Now let's find them.
That's a medium. Nah, actually they look pretty gay. Alright, why do all of them look gay? Jesus Christ. Here, come on. This way. Woohoo! Ow! Don't step on my foot then. Step on my foot, newbie. This way. I'm looking! That thing's fugly. I can't find anything. Oh. Ew. Where the crap did you go? Hold on. Oh, that's cool. That's even cooler. Huh. Blue sheets. I doubt they're just gonna have regular blue sheets. They're probably gonna come with a whole kit and caboodle. Oh, cool, pretty. Pretty.